Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we had CPI inflation data come out today, and I was saying that I am definitely bearish the dollar, and that's exactly what happened. Bearish the dollar at the inflation news. It definitely looks to me like the end of an ABC correction. If it is the end of an ABC correction, it should make lower lows, lower highs go down and break this lower structure right here, especially because this looks like a possible end of a big correction on the daily time frame. So for now, I am definitely still bearish, definitely looking for short-term pullbacks, unless we get some sort of a very significant break of structure to the upside, which I definitely don't see, and I don't really think it's going to happen. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.